Hey guys, I'm back. Hey! Today we're gonna cook, but not any cooking. Today we're gonna cook K-food. Today we are going to do steamed egg. We love steamed egg. We eat it with side for rice, and it is very good, soft, moist. And if you want to put some healthy stuff in it, you can put some onions in it. I am. And if you want more of a meaty flavor, you can have shrimp, ham, or somehow, if you like it, sliced with sausages. Those are good. I tried it once. And every time you go to a Korean restaurant, they give you some steamed egg. It is very good. So as soon as you can, try to make this. It's delicious, I guarantee you. But today I'm making a very, 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 very simple version of it. And I am also going to use air fryer. If you don't have it, you can also do microwave. But for full effect and flavor, you should use air fryer if you have it. Okay, so for the ingredients, we need 3 eggs, and we need onions. Not that much, like not this much, about this much. And green onions. We grew them on our balcony. They're very fresh. Anyway, we need green onions, about this much, same as the white onions or the regular onions. And we need a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of beef stock. You can use chicken stock, beef stock. We also need 1 cup of water. Water over here. If you don't like onions, you can add sausages, spam, ham, and shrimp, and you can add almost anything you want. Okay, so to start off, we need 1 cup of water. 1 cup. We pour in 1. So we add 1 cup of water. And half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of salt. And half a teaspoon of beef stock. And then we add the eggs. Dun, dun, dun. So I'm gonna crack the first egg. Okay, put this over here. Second egg. That was 2 eggs. Now the third egg. 1, 2. Okay, then after we add it, I just washed my hands so they're a little wet. We are gonna whisk them or mix them. If you don't have a whisk, you can use chopsticks. Just mix them as fast and carefully as you can. Ooh, look at how it's turning out, folks. Ooh, that's a good ASMR. Okay, let me do it like a professional chef. This is my first time doing it like this. Well, I'm good at that. The less carefully you mix it, it's gonna be salty on certain chunks of egg. But if you mix, the more you mix it, it's gonna get softer and more tastier. Okay, now that I'm done mixing, I'm gonna add vegetables. Now that I've sliced up the onions, green onions, you just put them in. Not too much, or it's gonna be more green onions than egg. So we want a lot of green onions. And we also want some white onion, original onions. Okay, now that we put them in, you start mixing again. So it gets, the vegetables get like connected to the eggs. When you're making a cake and you mix the cream, you mix to make the cream, mix as fast as that. Oh, my arm's tired already. Okay, now that we're done mixing, we're gonna slowly pour it into this bowl. Ooh, that sound is so satisfying. Okay, after you're done pouring it, I'm gonna put this in the air fryer. Okay, now the air fryer is here. This big old guy. Okay, now we're gonna open this. After we open this, we're gonna put it in like this. Careful you don't spill any. And we put it in. Ooh, I didn't spill any. Make sure it's closed. Turn it on. Lower the temperature to 350 Fahrenheit and lower the time to 15 minutes. And start. Yay! It started! Okay. See you in 15 minutes. 15 minutes feels so long. Only 1 minute left! Ooh! It's done! Let us open it. Hot. One more minute and it's like a balloony. Okay, time to take it out. Yeah. It's just like a balloon right now. It looks delicious. Let us try it. Oh, it's like Jell-O. Look, everyone, can you see this? You see it like it's steaming. Oh, it's hot, so I have to be careful not to burn myself. That is amazing. At first, when you put it in your mouth, it feels like it's salty. And then when you keep chewing it, it's all like a marshmallow. But instead of the sweetness, it's salty, but not salty at the same time. It is amazing. Wow. I could eat this forever, but it's hot. Oh, that is so good. This is so good. You know what would be better? If I put some ham in this. That would be better. But next time I make it, I'm going to put some ham in it. But it's already delicious. So make sure to follow my recipe, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Man, this is really good.